Klaviyo isn't always the best solution, and OmniSend is much better priced and has similar and in some cases even better features. Does that sound like clickbait to you? Well, maybe, but this is actually true, and I'm going to show you why feature by feature. My name is Bernard Meyer, Senior Director of Content and Creative here at OmniSend. Let's dive right in. First up in this video, we'll see who each platform is built for. Then we'll explore the core function of both platforms, email marketing. We'll compare which platform builds the best subscriber list and offers the best segmentation and targeting. Next, we'll check out which platform offers the best automation workflows to help streamline your email marketing strategy. And of course, customer support is crucial when it comes to any platform. So we'll compare which tool offers the better customer support. And last, but definitely not least, we'll take a closer look at Klaviyo versus OmniSend pricing and see which platform will rise as the true mythbuster and which will remain trapped in the web of broken promises. So, ready to find out which platform comes out on top? Let's go. Let's kick things off by looking at who each platform is built for. Both OmniSend and Klaviyo are seen as specifically designed for e-commerce businesses. That's why both integrate seamlessly with the biggest e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, Wix, and WooCommerce. Both also offer an impressive amount of third-party integrations, ranging from loyalty and reward programs to shipping tracking providers and checkout services. So far, both tools seem pretty similar and stack up evenly against one another. Now, let's dive a bit deeper and take a look at the core email marketing features of each platform. Both offer plenty of templates to get your creative juices flowing. However, OmniSend comes out on top here with more than 250 to choose from compared to Klaviyo's 100. Now, let's take a look at each email builder and compare them. In Klaviyo's email builder, you can add basic customizable text, images, columns, buttons, and tables. Outside of that, you can't add anything too flashy. It's definitely possible to create good-looking emails using Klaviyo's builder, but there are quite a few e-commerce related things you'll have to do manually. For example, creating unique discount codes is pretty complicated. You can, however, add in products directly from your store, which is a time saver. In OmniSend's email builder, you have a lot more options for customization. First off, you have more than double the template options compared to Klaviyo. On top of that, you have a lot more to work with in terms of the content you can create. For example, OmniSend also offers the product picker feature that allows you to pull products from your store directly into your campaigns. Also, OmniSend offers more e-commerce friendly features like unique discount codes. Additionally, you can add videos to your campaign or custom HTML for more advanced users. While Klaviyo's email builder is nice, it's ultimately missing some e-commerce features that will save online marketers a lot of time when creating campaigns. And anyone who knows anything about email marketing knows that list building is crucial to your strategy. After all, it doesn't matter if you have gorgeous campaigns if there's no one to see them. Both OmniSend and Klaviyo offer features that help you build your subscriber list organically from the visits on your site. Both offer targeted pop-ups to help you convert more visitors into subscribers, as well as A/B testing for your sign-up forms. OmniSend's Form Builder offers pre-built theme templates for events such as Black Friday and Back to School, and allows you to easily apply your store's brand colors and fonts to your forms. Plus, only OmniSend offers landing pages, which are proven to convert more than any other kind of sign-up form. OmniSend also offers a gamified Wheel of Fortune sign-up form that entices your customers to sign up to spin for their discount. So, if you're an e-commerce business looking to build a quality subscriber list, OmniSend offers more list-building features to help you grow your email list and boost your sales. Now, let's take a look at which tool offers the best segmentation and targeting. Both OmniSend and Klaviyo offer targeting through segmentation to help you send the most relevant message to the right person at the right time. Klaviyo segmentation is pretty robust. However, it is worth mentioning that some of the language used in their segmentation definitions can be a bit confusing. OmniSend, for example, separates segments into three main categories: profile data, campaign activity, and finally shopping behavior, which refers to whether the customer has added to their cart, browsed and abandoned, purchase in the last 30 days, and so on. These segments make a lot of sense in terms of e-commerce because you can layer them based on what you need. With Klaviyo segmentation, the language is a bit more basic, asking you to choose a definition based on what someone has or hasn't done, which could either be campaign related, shopping related, or something else. So this might be a bit confusing if you're used to separating it a different way. Both Omnisend and Klaviyo allow you to sync your segments into Facebook custom audiences for retargeting ads, but only Omnisend allows you to sync those contacts for Google retargeting ads without any additional tools. On Klaviyo, you will have to use the Google Ads integration. So in terms of segmentation and targeting, it's pretty much a tie, with Omnisend inching slightly ahead of Klaviyo. Next, let's take a look at how well Klaviyo and Omnisend can automate your marketing. While both Omnisend and Klaviyo have been neck and neck up until this point, with small differences here and there in favor of Omnisend, things are about to change drastically. Because the biggest differences between these two tools can be seen in their automation workflows. Klaviyo certainly has a great visual workflow that is quite powerful. You can use conditional splits and trigger splits to create very complex workflows that are highly targeted to your subscribers. With Omnisend, you can create automated workflows that are just as powerful. Plus, you can add other channels to the same automated workflow. For example, you can start an abandoned cart workflow with SMS, follow up with an email, engage your customer the next day with a push notification discount, and then follow up with an email from there. When your customer does finalize their purchase, you can send order and shipping notifications via SMS, all from one automated workflow. This means you can provide an omni-channel customer experience and offer your customers a choice in how they want to engage with your brand and on what channel. So, who wins this round? Well, even though the differences here are pretty big, functionally, it's still pretty much a tie. Next, let's talk about customer support. Both tools provide multiple tutorials and extended knowledge bases, as is expected from any email marketing provider. But what about the actual customer support? After all, many believe that when it comes to email marketing, access to great customer support is pretty hard to come by. Unfortunately, in Klaviyo's case, this is pretty true. Klaviyo provides 24/7 email support and live chat support on weekdays for paid customers, with different weekend hours for live chat depending on what paid plan you use. Users of the free plan only have email support for the first 60 days. After those 60 days, free users can only use the community and Klaviyo's pre-made resources for any answers to their questions. Omnisend, on the other hand, disproves the bad email marketing support misconception completely. Every single Omnisend customer gets 24/7 live chat and email support on every single plan. Even better, Omnisend recently won a second Stevie Award for outstanding customer support. So when it comes to customer support, Omnisend leaves Klaviyo far behind in the dust. And now we get to the final round, namely the big pricing question. It's true that great email marketing has to be expensive, right? Well, let's take a look. Both Omnisend and Klaviyo have pricing based on the number of subscribers you have. However, Klaviyo separates its two premium plans based on marketing channels like email and SMS, and both get pricey pretty quickly as you add more subscribers. If you add SMS in addition to your email subscribers, Klaviyo can get much more expensive depending on how many SMS messages you want to send. For example, if you had 2,500 email subscribers and you wanted to send them one SMS campaign per month, your Klaviyo pricing would increase from $85 to $95. With Omnisend, there are two main plans for growing e-commerce merchants, with a standard plan starting at $16 per month and a pro plan starting at $59 per month. While the standard plan offers most of the great email features Omnisend has, in order to take full advantage of the omni-channel features, the pro plan is probably your best bet. Klaviyo's pricing will grow exponentially if you decide to add SMS into the mix. However, it limits SMS to just 6 countries: the US, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Ireland. On the other hand, Omnisend supports international SMS, so you can reach your audience in any country, and you can roll over unused SMS credits to the next month. So what's the verdict? As you might have guessed, Omnisend comes out as the myth buster here with much better pricing than Klaviyo. So which email marketing platform is better for online merchants? Let's summarize what we've learned so far. Both tools are built for e-commerce merchants. Both Omnisend and Klaviyo integrate well with e-commerce platforms and third-party apps. Both offer precise segmentation for greater targeting and conditional splits in automation. Omnisend nudges Klaviyo out on extra email marketing, list building, and omnichannel features. Furthermore, Omnisend outright wins over Klaviyo in terms of automation, customer support, and budget-friendly pricing. So it looks like we have a winner. That being said, when choosing something as critical as an email marketing provider, it's important that you do your homework and really test everything that the tool can offer to grow your online store. So try out both tools and see how they really work. Luckily, you can test out everything Omnisend has to offer for absolutely free, because the free plan gives access to every single premium feature with absolutely no strings attached. So go ahead and see for yourself whether Omnisend really wins in automations, email marketing features, or customer support. Just click the link in the description below and join more than 100,000 brands that are already growing their sales with Omnisend. And if you want to find out more about Omnisend versus Klaviyo pricing, you should definitely check out this video. We go in depth into the details so you can check out the math and really consider which one is the best for your wallet.